Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video, we'll see how to close the multiple Excel processor that are open. Okay. So I have a Python program here. So here I am commenting out, I am opening the files from this folder, Excel files. I am doing some logic there. But here I commented out these lines, workbook.save, workbook.close and Excel quit. So when I commented it and when I run this program, so it will open multiple files from that folder. Let's see the output here. So, okay, so once you go here and if you open the file, so then it is read only. Okay, guys. So similarly, other files also, they are in read only mode. Okay. So when I run the program again, let's see what happens. So it's throwing error that Excel cannot open the file because it is read only and Excel application is not closed, it's open. Okay. So let us go to the task manager. Okay. Let us open the task manager. And if you see, there is no Excel process to close, but our Excel files are in read only mode. We are not able to run our Python program. Okay. So in such situations, we have a DOS command which will help us. So to close the multiple Excel processes that are open, that is toscale/f/im excel.exe. So this command will close the all Excel processes that are open. So there are 7 processors there, so all are closed. Okay guys, so let's go to the folder and open and see. So let's see. So it's opening. It is asking earlier files. You can say no. So it is opening the files. So all Excel processor close. Okay. So which are not visible in our task manager. Okay guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.